Boom! What's up, Wanderers? Welcome back. It's time for another one-take bag review, and I'm excited because we've got another North Face sling bag. What's up? Check it out up there. That North Face sling bag is one of my favorite sling bags of all time, and I recently reviewed the Borealis sling bag from North Face too. Check out what I thought about that bag when you have time. I'm going to drop the link in the comments. It'll be the pinned comment. You can check that out. This beauty is the North Face Base Camp Voyager sling bag. It's got lots of names. It looks great. It looks great, and I'm excited to dive in. But you know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the exterior of the bag. Then we're going to dig in on the interior of this bag. We're going to, at the very end of the walkthrough, do two things we love about the bag, two things not so much, and then an overall recommendation should you buy yourself a North Face Base Camp Voyager sling bag for $59. That's what it costs right now. Comes in 3 colorways. This is kind of the evergreen, forest green version of the bag. It is really, really good looking. So I gave North Face, spoiler alert, some crap for the Borealis sling bag and what they made it look like in the pictures versus what it looks like in real life. They get none of that crap for this bag, or frankly, for the Alt Commuter Sling, which is a wonderful bag. Is this bag as good as the Alt Commuter Sling? Let's check it out. Let's find out. So, the exterior is a real rubberized nylon. It is really nice. It's slick. It's got a check pattern on it, which I assume is a ripstop. It's got attachment points on the front, both these big mollies and the little corner attachment points here. You have a front pocket we're going to get into in a second. You have a really useful grab handle that kind of carries this thing briefcase style. Very nice. And very, very padded reverse on this bag. Okay? There is no bottle holder on the bag of any type or form. You can see the North Face. I always forget I always just call it North Face. It's the North Face, and you can see the logo right here. Let's flip this bag on. I want to show you how it carries. Okay? This is designed to carry on your right shoulder, not your left. Okay? And it's not reversible. So don't feel like, if that is an absolute deal breaker for you, if you must have your bag on your left shoulder, this ain't the bag for you. Okay? You can see how the bag rides. And you can see the strap is very nice, and you have a little sternum strap right here that you can tuck away if you don't want to use it. I don't want to use it. It's not a big enough bag to really require that, but if I was a cyclist, I might think differently. All right, let's talk about the strap. The strap itself is really, really beefy. It's got an attachment point here for a reflector, and it's got a little, I shouldn't say little, this is a bigger than average commuter pocket here that you could put your AirPods in, and it expands out. So what do I have in there? Just some lip balm and a lightning cable. You've got a little attachment point here that is leather-ish material, and then the whole thing expands. You can probably see me through here. It's got a mesh backing here, and it expands, and you can get something pretty big into this pocket. So AirPods, sunglasses, whatever you would want to have in easy reach on the front of your sling, even a secondary phone wouldn't be a problem. So it's a really useful pocket. Most of these kind of sling front pockets here are only about half this size, so really nice actually. And this is where the sternum strap would attach to if you wanted to use that feature of the bag. All right? Yeah, so I think that's it on the back of the bag. The handle itself is really nice. The stitching looks really good throughout the bag, and the really slick front on this bag is, for lack of a better word, slick. Let's talk pockets. All right. So on this front pocket here, it is just a big old front pocket. which is good in my mind, okay? So I was a little worried when I bought this bag that the front pocket was going to be like an overdone admin panel with a lot of subdivided sections. Not at all. It is one big pocket that runs the entire front of this bag and is lined with, I don't know if you've ever worn a North Face fleece, but that's what it's lined with, the same material they use on their fleeces. I've just tossed in there a pocket knife and some pens, Sharpies, and my AirPods Max, or excuse me, AirPods Pro in my Bit of a Wander case. You can get those at bitofastore.com, and my mustache comb. I don't wake up looking like this. You have to comb out your mustache, boys and girls. All right, so you can see here, really nice pocket. And it's not a contrasting interior, but man, it feels nice. Feels nice. Feels super premium. The zipper is not AquaGuard. It is a YKK zipper with a nice, albeit utilitarian zipper pull here that is black rather than the green, which I think is actually a nice touch. All right. You have two zippers on this compartment, so you can kind of leave it all the way this way, leave it all that way, or leave it in the middle. It doesn't fully clamshell, but it comes really darn close, okay? So what is going on in this main compartment? Let's go front to back. In the front, you have just a drop section here that is where I have stored my full-size gimbal with the tripod on. It is a really large space. Then, this is actually a divider, but it also has a zipped compartment in it. And that zipped compartment is fleece-lined. So I've got blue light blocking glasses, a lightning cable in there, but this is a really nice fleece-lined section on this bag, and it just is the divider here between the two main sections of the main compartment. I've also got a Nintendo Switch Lite in here. This is big, right? And then on the back side of this divider, you have two stretchy compartments. I've put my wallet, shout out to Blank Canvas Designs or Blank Canvas Accessories. Beautiful donut pattern. Love that thing, can't get enough of it. And then you've got, besides these two stretchies, you've got a big section here that again, fit just swallowed up my Nintendo Switch Lite and would do the same for like a Steam Deck or anything that size. And remember, I had the gimbal in there and the Switch Lite in there and my wallet in there, and in this back mesh compartment, you can see this has two pen holders on top and then a big zippered mesh compartment where I've tossed in my battery backup brick and my lightning and USB-C cables. This also has a tiny little key carabiner that I will probably just cut out because I don't want it and don't use it. Wow, so this main compartment has so much more going on in it than I anticipated when I bought the bag. You have drop pocket, zippered pocket with felt line interior, two stretchy mesh pockets, another drop pocket, and the back zippered mesh compartment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 major subdivided sections, and all of them are useful. And you can see here that this is a pretty cavernous space. It accordions out. It does have a little kind of stopper here so that you can't flap the whole thing open, but that's good because now crap is not going to fall out of your bag. You've got to remember, let me put this on, when you swing a sling bag around, you want the bag to be accessible, but you don't want it flapping open and falling. So this is really well thought out, constructed, and it functions the way you would want a sling bag to function. Very slick and very smooth. But wait, there's more. There is a tablet/laptop sleeve on the back of this bag. One zipper, not AquaGuard. Boom. This is my 11-inch iPad Pro and it's in the Magic Keyboard, of course. And this, again, is fleece lined. So this is the third fleece lined compartment. Here's a small Chromebook. Fits in there no problem. And it's not within arm's reach, but let me grab my Surface Laptop 4 to see if it fits. Surface Laptop 4, will it fit? Not even a problem. So this is a small laptop or tablet sling, and it is so cushioned. All right. Holy cow. So let's talk about this thing. Two things we really like about this sling. The first thing I really, really like about this sling is the organization of the main compartment here. Everything in here is insanely useful and well built. I love that the middle divider is a fleece-lined pocket. I love the stretchy pockets on the backside, so well made. And I love that there are not any pockets that are just throw-ins that you won't be using. The back mesh pocket is amazing. Yeah, so that is incredible. The second thing I really love about this bag is the material choices that they've made. Love the look and feel of the front compartment, and the fleece on this bag. It really does feel like a North Face fleece. It really does feel nice. The handle as well could have been a just absolute throwaway. Check out the bag up here. I love that bag. It doesn't have a handle. It burns me up. That bag is so close to perfect. This bag might be perfect. Okay. Now, two things that I think could have been better about this bag. The first one is just a minor annoyance to me. I don't carry bags on my left shoulder. Or, excuse me. Throwing it over my left shoulder. I don't carry straps on my right shoulder on a sling bag, or, and so not having an ambidextrous option on this bag and not being able to order the other shoulder, it's annoying because I'm used to picking up bags and tossing them on this way, and obviously that doesn't work on this bag. Okay, so I have to unlearn my typical bag behavior to toss it on the correct shoulder. I don't love that. So that's one thing I don't love about this bag. The other thing I don't love about this bag is a fairly minor thing, and that is that I wish that they had gone with an AquaGuard zipper for the laptop/tablet sleeve on the bag. It's clear that that's what this is for. It's clear that that's, that this is a bag that can be used by cyclists and commuters, and it's got the sternum strap, and it's got reflector points on it. Give us an AquaGuard zipper for the tech compartment. I think that would have been a nice, classy touch for this bag. But as I said earlier, this freaking bag is $59. And North Face / Patagonia / Columbia / et cetera, these outerwear brands tend to put out new stuff on a yearly cadence and sometimes on a seasonal cadence. So if you like this bag, I would get it now. It comes in a purple color, this green color, and a blacked out color. I like the green. I think it's really, really nice. I gotta say, this might be, and when I said materials, this thing is so light too. So light. This might be one of the best tablet slings that I've ever reviewed. Wow. And the price cannot be beat. For $59, I don't know why you wouldn't buy one of these right now. It's great. So, that's it. That's the review. I hope, as always, you really enjoyed this. I love bringing you new bags that maybe you haven't seen before. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We're always checking out bags from all kinds of companies, big companies, little companies, bags you've heard of, bags you've never heard of, and may never see unless you subscribe. So please do. Everybody, thanks so much. We will see you next time. Bye for now.